the corner of Main and Granby. Today, an ultra-luxury hotel. 150 years ago, in the heart of our hometown, and even more lavish, rose the Furniture Hall of Virginia. Now, Furniture Hall is reborn, proudly rebuilt by the people of Haynes inside our Virginia Beach warehouse. The new home for the world's leading designers. Nicoletti of Italy, Stephen Shell of London, Jane Seymour, Justina Blakeney, Jonathan Lewis, Velvetique of Los Angeles, Handmade Amish by Conrad Grable, Nashville's Trisha Yearwood, Harlequin Mattress of Montreal, and Charlottesville's Savvy Rest, Black Dog Salvage from Roanoke, Leather by Cheryl and Moore & Giles of Lynchburg. See our website for more exhibits and event times. After 150 years, Furniture Hall is back. Style has a new destination.